Many farmers are using polypeptide enzyme fertilizer, protease synergistic fertilizer. Most friends are not clear about the protease added to the fertilizer. Today, let's talk about the special proteinase for agricultural fertilizers and its core component. The real effect of carbon-based polypeptide protease, the protease added to the fertilizer, are similar to those in human digestion, but their functions are specifically adapted. The growth of soil and crops. It belongs to agricultural biological synergistic enzymes. There are already a lot of macromolecules, organic matter, solidified protein, and unused nutrients. Ordinary fertilizers are directly applied, easily fixed and lost by the soil. Crop roots cannot absorb them well. So the fertilizer efficiency is low and serious waste is to act as a nutrient decomposer in the soil. The core function of agricultural protease, it can quickly break the peptide bonds of macromolecular proteins and decompose the difficult to absorb macromolecules into small molecule polypeptides and free amino acids. These small molecules of nutrition can be directly by the roots and leaves of the crops, which can greatly improve the utilization rate of fertilizers, reduce fertilizer waste. Meanwhile, protease can also activate beneficial microorganisms in soil, improve soil aggregate structure, loosen compacted soil, and improve soil permeability, making the soil from stiff and barren to become loose and fertile. Continuous soil improvement and protection. Simply put, the fertilizer with protease not only supplements nutrients for crops, but also activates the soil. It can provide quick-acting fertilizer and long-term soil improvement. Next, let's talk about the key core component, carbon-based polypeptide protease. In the field of agricultural fertilizers, carbon-based polypeptide protease is high-end, the core synergistic component of enzyme fertilizers. It belongs to metal-active protease, and it is also the key to fertilizer efficiency and crop yield. Ordinary agricultural proteases can only roughly decompose large organic matter and stay at the stage of preliminary decomposition. Carbon-based polypeptide protease, thus, is for fine and deep decomposition. It is specifically aimed at short-chain peptides in soil. It completely disassembles from the peptide chain end and completely convert residual nutrients into crops, into active amino acids that can be directly absorbed. It needs trace metal ions to be activated. It is more stable. It is resistant to high and low temperatures. It adapts to various soil environments. It has a longer lasting and more thorough decomposition. The biggest advantage of this enzyme is that it solves the problem of slow absorption, residue, and lack of stamina. First, rapid efficiency improvement. Deeply decomposed soil solidified nutrients activate the fixed nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. It can increase the fertilizer efficiency by more than 30%. Crops grow faster without nutrient deficiency. Second, it promotes growth and resistance. The active polypeptides and amino acids generated can stimulate the germination of crop roots, promote flower bud differentiation, fruit expansion, and coloring. It also enhances the drought, cold, and disease resistance, reduce physiological diseases. Third, early ripening and increasing yield. Nutrients are directly absorbed and utilized, saving the consumption of secondary transformation. It can make crops mature 5 to 15 days earlier, effectively improving yield and quality. Fourth, it improves soil, continuously decomposes residual organic matter in soil, breaks soil compaction, activates soil microecology. Long-term use can improve the soil and modify the soil.